So what have you been up to?
It's beautiful, I know. I'm back today after almost a month. I couldn't upload videos since YouTube gave me a strike for a reason that I don't know. I mean, they know better. I'm gonna leave you guys with today's tutorial, but before that, let's talk about our sponsor Filmora. Wondershare Filmora 12 makes it easy to create a professional-looking video in half the time it would normally take. Let's dive into the awesome title editing features. Choose from metallic, nature-inspired, or even festival-themed designs. Customize your titles to your heart's content. Change colors, sizes, fonts, and even orientations. Plus, Filmora 12 has the largest font library ever, giving you endless options. And don't forget the mind-blowing 3D text effects. But wait, get into the summer spirit with effect packs dedicated to capturing those sunny vibes.
Stick to the script.
Filmora 12's AI portrait feature lets you separate subjects from the background with just one click. And don't miss out on the exclusive AR stickers that bring fun and uniqueness to your videos.
You would never need enough.
Filmora 12's shake and fisheye transitions are easy to use and look fantastic. Elevate your videos with Wondershare Filmora 12 today. Click the link in the description to give it a try. 2 steps. Add a CC on After Effects, then use Topaz Video AI to do the enhancement. Just follow my steps.
cold and losing my control. Your light is gone and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation. Complicated.